today I'll be guiding you through how to make robot projects for timed robot and command based. So the first thing you have to do is open up VS Code, however you open it up, and then we're gonna click on the WPILib button. When you hover over it, it should say Open WPILib Command Palette. Once you click on that, you'll have the search bar highlighted. Type in Create, and then click on Create a New Project. Once you're here, now you can choose the project type. We're going to be choosing templates and Java. And then now you can click off, it'll save, and then we can select our project base. For this first example, I'll be showing you how to do timed robot. So click on timed skeleton actually, because we don't want the boilerplate code because we will be writing our own code. And then for the base folder, I would make a folder in your C drive. I have one here just for robotics projects because of how WPILib loads and deploys the code. They want it to be in your C drive and not in your OneDrive or the other cloud-based folders. And then once you've selected your parent folder, you'll click here, and then now you can name your project. I'm going to be naming mine Mantic Timed Robot. And then we do want to create a new folder. And then for your team number, put in your team's team number. For this example, I'll be putting in 1234. And then you can generate project in the current window. Now that you're here, you'll see that you have robot.java and main.java. Leave your main.java always. You almost never need to touch this. I've never touched main.java in my life. Robot.java is where you're going to have all of your important methods. And so before we start doing anything, we're going to create a new file. So I just right clicked over in this area to the right of the word robot, new file, and then we're going to create a file called constants.java. And then here's where you're going to put all of the things that are going to stay the same. So your motor IDs, any offsets, any PID values you might have, we're going to keep everything stored right here. So then that way it's easy to change and you don't have to scroll through all of your code in order to find it.